Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can suggest WordPress.org plugin in your WP dashboard. So when a user will use your plugin, then you can suggest your plugin in featured option according to your need. So let's see how you can do that. First time you have to write the simple plugin. I am just taking a folder on the plugin ops directory. I have created a folder with WP plugin featured. Write a file with WP plugin featured.php. So with plugin folder and plugin main file will be same name. It is the best practice. Now write the plugin header in plugin file. Copy the plugin header details from WordPress.org, then paste it here. Start with PHP. Int PHP. Change the plugin name. Okay, I am not changing the anything else, and so that my main focus to show you how we can make the featured plugin according to our need. So now activate the plugin. Go to your WP dashboard and check. You can see a new plugin with the same name, WP plugin featured. Okay, you can see that there has a new plugin, WP plugin featured. Just activate it. The plugin has been activated. Now you can write your custom functionality to feature your plugin here. So currently you can see that there has few plugin already featured. Now I want to add my plugin here. So I have written a small blog how we can add featured plugin according to your choose. I have a helper class on my blog. I will link up my blog with YouTube description. Just check it out. Now copy the code from here. This is a simple class. Inside the class you can see that there has the two add favorite plugin links. Just you have to provide your plugin slug. Now I have added two plugins, WP maximum upload file size and unlimited theme add-ons. Now check. Unexpected errors on 21. So something error here. So let's check 21 number lines. 21. Oh, sorry. Now check it. Okay, you can see that there is two new plugin added in featured list. This is two new plugin exactly with the same URLs like this. You can change the plugin slug according to your need. Now I will search a new plugin. I am just copying the plugin flag and paste it here. If I reload the page, then new plugin will be added. Which was the plugin name? Survey Maker, and you can see that there has a new plugin with Survey Maker. So this was a new tricks for you. Then this video will help you to boost your new plugin installation. You can see, if you see that I have a plugin in WordPress.org. I have already added this functionality almost all of my WordPress plugin. I am just showing you. I have added this functionality with my plugin Disable Gutenberg. If a user install this plugin, then I am able to suggest my another plugin with the user dashboard. Now installing it. And activate the plugin. After activate the plugin, if you check the plugin list, then you can see a new plugin suggesting. So this video especially will help you if you have a plugin that has already achieved lot of installation. Then you can suggest a new plugin with the user dashboard. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please read my blog clearly to get the code and see the instruction. Thank you.